right! Join me in celebrating Jin's birthday! Come on! First day, Wicked Cinema date at Eastwood! Let's go! Super comfy with Cinema Ultra! Just right for a 2 hours plus movie! We loved Wicked! Such a cinema-worthy movie! Let us defy gravity! And because I'm so sweet, I also gifted her fireworks. Ha ha! At night, we celebrated with Jin's fam.
Happy birthday to me. Birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Thank you po. Yay!
Then, group skincare before the day ends. Second day, IKEA window shopping till our feet cries. Ha ha ha! Wah! I guess it's not just window shopping. It's total shopping. Wow! A relaxing massage at Espasyo before the day ends. Third day, celebration with my fam at UCM Adventure Park.
The surprise that is not so surprise.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And there's more! Ha 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 ha!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Yay! Happy birthday! Lapit ka na lang. Happy birthday! Yay!
Here are the photo dump. I love you most, Jin. I pray you live long and healthy with me and our fam. Happy birthday.